Marie Curie was a woman born in Warsaw, Poland on November 7, 1867. Marie Curie was the discoverer of radioactivity, polonium and radium, and the developer of X-rays, and the first woman to win the Nobel Prize in Physics, later winning another Nobel Prize in Chemistry. Curie is the youngest of 5 siblings. Her older siblings are Zofia, Joseph, Bronia, and Hella. Marie's intelligence in science follows in the footsteps of her father, Wladyslaw, who was a mathematics and physics teacher. Marie's mother, Bronislawa, was also known to be a teacher, but died of tuberculosis when she was very young, namely 10 years. Marie had an intelligent and inquisitive mind and excelled at school, but she was unable to continue her education at the University of Warsaw, because it was male-only. He continued his education in informal underground classes, held in secret. Marie and her sister Bronia dreamed of going abroad to get an official degree, but they lacked the funds. Curie made a deal with her sister. She would work to support Bronia while she was at school, and it would be Bronia's turn to work to pay for Marie's schooling, after she finished her studies. For approximately 5 years, Curie worked as a tutor and nanny. She used her free time to study, reading about physics, chemistry, and mathematics. In 1891, Curie finally went to Paris and enrolled at the Sorbonne, and she busied herself with studying. However, with little money, Curie survived on bread, butter, and tea, plagued by her poor diet. Curie completed her master's degree in physics in 1893, and earned another degree in mathematics the following year. Marie married French physicist Pierre Curie on July 26, 1895. They were introduced by a colleague of Marie's after she graduated from Sorbonne University. A romance blossoms between the brilliant pair, and they become a scientific research duo completely devoted to each other. Initially, Marie and Pierre worked on separate projects, but after Marie discovered radioactivity, Pierre put aside his own work to help with Marie's research. In 1906, an accident occurred that killed Pierre in Paris. After he accidentally stepped in front of a horse-drawn carriage. Marie was very sad, but she tried to take responsibility for all her husband's work. She replaced her husband teaching at the Sorbonne, becoming the first female professor. Marie discovered radioactivity with Pierre. They discovered the radioactive elements polonium and radium while working with ore minerals. Fascinated by the work of Henri Becquerel, a French physicist who discovered that uranium emits rays weaker than the X-rays discovered by Wilhelm Conrad Röntgen, Marie took his work several steps further. Marie conducted her own experiments on uranium rays, and found that they remained constant, no matter the condition or form of the uranium. He theorized that the light came from the atomic structure of the element. This revolutionary idea created the field of atomic physics. Marie herself coined the word radioactivity to describe the phenomenon. After the discovery of radioactivity, Marie continued her research with her husband Pierre. Working with mineral ores, the pair discovered a new radioactive element in 1898. They named the element polonium, after the country of Poland. Marie also detected another radioactive material in the ores, called radium. In 1902, Marie announced that they had produced 1 decigram of pure radium, demonstrating its existence as a unique chemical element. When World War I broke out in 1914, Marie devoted her time and resources to helping the cause. He championed the use of portable X-ray machines in the field, and the medical vehicle earned the nickname Little Curie. After the war, Marie used her fame to advance her research. He traveled to the United States twice, in 1921 and 1929, to raise funds to purchase radium, and founded a Radium Research Institute in Warsaw. Marie won 2 Nobel Prizes, for physics in 1903 and for chemistry in 1911. She was the first woman to win a Nobel Prize, and also the first person, either man or woman, to win the prestigious award twice. He was the only person honored for his achievements in 2 separate sciences. Marie received the Nobel Prize in Physics in 1903 with her husband, and Henri Becquerel for their work in the field of radioactivity. With their win, Marie developed an international reputation for their scientific efforts, and they used the prize money to continue their research. In 1911, Marie won her second Nobel Prize, this time in chemistry, for her discoveries of radium and polonium. As she accepted the award herself, she shared the honor with her late husband. At that time, Marie joined other renowned scientists, including Albert Einstein and Max Planck, to attend the first Solvay Congress in physics, and discuss many of the groundbreaking discoveries in her field. Marie died on July 4, 1934 from aplastic anemia, believed to be caused by prolonged exposure to radiation. He was known to carry radium test tubes in his lab coat pocket. Years of working with radioactive materials took their toll on his health.